for Dewa Bram, please lead the pray before we start. Yeah, time is yours.
Attention. When before study, let's pray together. Please start. Dear God,
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 please
please bless
please bless
myself,
myself,
my teacher,
my teacher,
and my friend,
and my friend,
so
so
we will understand
we will understand
the lesson
the lesson
that we will get today.
that we will get today.
Dear God,
Dear God.
Okay, thank you Dewa Bram. Namaskar.
Pantesan apa ya? Tadi
namaskar,
pesan nama
Miss.
atas. Kenapa
Namaskar.
Namaskar, Miss.
Okay, good morning.
Hello.
This is still morning, ya.
Testing.
Okay, so how are you today?
I'm fine.
Doing good.
Okay, I hope all of you always good and always happy and still on fire. Masih semangat, ya.
iya. Oh, well.
So this is the last meeting for today, ya, English.
Bentar, ada
Ya,
nyamuk.
so now
Nyamuk mana sih nih?
I will share the screen and then also explain the rules of the class.
Welcome to the
Yeah, welcome to English class for the 5th grade student SD Bali Public School Denpasar. With me, yeah, Miss Rus again. So here, I share the rules, yeah, peraturan that you should obey. The first
Oh
one,
no.
you will be muted when the teacher explains the material. Yeah, and then number 2, you are allowed to unmute yourself if the teacher give the permission. Next, number 3, you are allowed to drink or go to the toilet, yeah, by leaving a chat. Yeah, so right now I disabled the chat. So if you want to go to the toilet or drink, just do it. Okay. And then number 4, please use the chat room wisely. Yeah, when I turn on the chat room, please use it wisely. Yeah, you may not use it for discussing out of the topic. 5, if the connection is lost, yeah, this is important because we don't know if the connection is lost. Please don't be panic. Yeah, click the link again and then wait until the teacher admit. Number 6, please pay attention to the teacher when the teacher explain the materials. Be polite and join the class nicely because all of your activity ya is recorded. Jadi semua ini direkam ya. Sehingga nanti teman-teman yang tidak join juga bisa menonton. Number 7, there will be a discussion at the end of the explanation. If you have any question, if the explanation is not clear, yeah, you may ask question to me. And the last is students are required to obey the rules. Ya, jadi harus dipatuhi rules-nya. Okay, that's it for the rules. Any question? No?
No, thank you.
Okay, so let's get started. I will mute you all first. Yeah. Okay, and then so I will continue to share the screen. Next. Okay, so our topic today is phrasal verb. If you already clicked the link of the notes that I shared yesterday, yeah. So the topic is phrasal. What is phrasal verbs? Is a combination of verbs and particles. Yeah, so particles, it can be preposition or adverb. It is generally used in spoken English or informal text. Yeah, so there are two meanings of the phrasal verbs. The first one is literal. Literal means has an obvious meaning. And then the second one is figurative. Figurative has a completely different meaning. Okay, so what is obvious meaning? Obvious meaning is like clear meaning. Yeah, so when you read the words, yeah, and then you suddenly know, oh, the meaning is this one. Langsung tahu. Obvious meaning itu artinya jelas. Jadi ketika baca kata itu, kita langsung tahu artinya. Oh, the meaning is this one, miss. Like that. But if figurative, ya, it has completely different meaning. Jadi dari kata-kata tersebut ada arti yang lain. Ya, jadi misalkan katanya sama tetapi ternyata artinya berbeda. Okay, so I will give the examples to make it clear. The example of literal phrasal verb. Okay, there are two examples here. Sit down and look up. So first one is sit down. Yeah, sit down is the verb and then sit is the verb, sorry. Down is the particles. Ya, sit down. You already know it. Ya, kita langsung tahu sit down, oh duduk artinya. That's it. Ya, there is no meaning again. Tidak ada arti lain lagi. Sit down, duduk. Sudah jelas artinya. Ya, that's literal. Artinya sudah jelas. And then look up. Ya. Look is the verb. Up is the particles. Ya, look up. And then, oh itu look up, lihat ke atas. That is look up. Ya, artinya sudah jelas sekali. Next is figurative meaning. So the examples are take after and look up. Nah, so here take is the verb and then after is the particles. Ya. Take artinya mengambil, after artinya sesudah. Jadi take after artinya bukan mengambil sesudah, tetapi artinya adalah resemble. Jadi take after itu artinya resemble. What is resemble means? Resemble is mirip. For example ya, Gong Dipa takes after his father. Misalnya Gong Dipa mirip dengan ayahnya. Nah, ya. Or another example, Abisar takes after his mother. Saya Abisar mirip ibunya. That's the example, ya. And then look up. Nah, Miss, look up. Look up ada di literal and also it can be figurative. Jadi look up here artinya bukan lihat ke atas lagi, tetapi mencari sesuatu di dalam buku. Ya, misalkan ada kata-kata sulit terus cari di buku. Ya, so next is other examples will be given on the PDF. Ya, you can check it. So here is the example of phrasal verb in sentences. Literal. As I said before, the example is they look up in the sky. So look at the picture. Everyone is looking up to the sky. Yeah. Look up in the sky. Oh, it's a bird. Oh, it's a plane. Yeah, that's look up. Yeah. And then next is figurative meaning. So the figurative I also use look up, but the sentence is different. I look up the meaning of difficult word in dictionary. Saya mencari arti dari kata-kata susah di dalam kamus. Ya, look up mencari sesuatu di dalam buku. Ya, look up lihat ke atas dan look up mencari di dalam buku. Ya, same word but different meaning. Yeah, so how do you know the phrasal verb is by using it? Yeah, and we already use it in our daily life. For example, like get up, wake up, stand up, sit down, and many more. Yeah, so that's the example of phrasal verb. Okay, next is the second topic is collocation. Yeah, so collocation is some words that naturally go together in English but others don't. It is generally used by native speakers. Yeah, so collocation is same like phrasal verb, gabungan beberapa word ya yang cocok. Ya, maksudnya yang cocok gimana, Miss? Oke, I give the example first in bahasa Indonesia. For example, rumah sakit. Ya, so I know all of you if listen to rumah sakit, you already know. Sudah tahu, rumah sakit itu adalah tempat yang ini. Ya, but when we change rumah menjadi gubuk, ya rumah sama gubuk kan artinya sama-sama tempat ya. Tapi kalau kita ganti rumah sakit jadi gubuk sakit, itu kita jarang dengar, jarang dipakai. Ya, jadi kurang cocok kalau misalkan gubuk sakit, tapi lebih cocoknya dengan rumah sakit. So that's the collocation. Ya, jadi dia kata yang cocok ya kalau diucapkan, tapi tidak cocok ketika rumah itu diganti dengan gubuk. Jadi nggak cocok ya gubuk sakit. Kita jarang dengar dan jarang pakai, jadi tidak umum. So that's it. So here are the examples. I believe all of you know this one. Fast food. Yeah. But we don't say it quick food. Why? Kenapa, Miss? Fast sama quick kan sama-sama cepat. Yes. The meaning is the same, but when we match it with the word food, kalau kita pasangkan dengan food, yang lebih cocok adalah fast food, bukan quick food. Ya, fast food like, you know the examples. And then when we match the word meal, the proper word is quick, not fast. Tapi ketika dicocokkan dengan meal, yang cocok itu quick meal, bukan fast meal. Ya, so another example I will give on the PDF. And also you always maybe unconditionally atau secara tidak sengaja anak-anak sudah sering lihat kata-kata ini, ya. So the next slide is the last. Thank you for your attention, ya. Okay. So that's the explanation of the material. Do you have any question? So if you have any question, please ask me now. You can unmute yourself.
Miss,
Yes.
you copied Superman.
What?
It's a bird, it's a plane.
Yeah, look up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
Yeah.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Copyright,
Location. Do you have any question? You can ask.
No. Oh, just that. No.
Now I will share the screen of the notes. Just take a look saja. Tidak perlu dicatat sekarang. Dicatatnya after the class finish. So here is the notes. I think it's already clear.
Much.
And then only the first page. You only to write the first page. The second and the third page it's not. Yang ini udah ada tulisannya. You may not write this on your note. Boleh tidak ditulis, disimpan saja. Oke. Kemudian dibaca, jangan disimpan saja, but also read it. Di sini sudah disuruh kasih contoh, kemudian arti dalam bahasa Inggrisnya dan juga arti dalam bahasa Indonesia. Take off. Pasti udah tahu take off ya. Kalau pesawat take off atau lepas landas Turn down, keep up, fill in, mengisi atau melengkapi semua ada di sini. Yang ada di buku juga catat di sini the meaning, and then the third page is the collocation. Ini sudah ada artinya. Ini tadi fast food, take a rest, have lunch, get fired.
Junk food.
Junk food, it can be. Catch a bus. The meaning is naik bus, bukan menangkap bus tapi naik bus. Ya, take an exam, ikut ujian.
In the bus.
Nanti bisa dicek ya. Oke. If all ready, so let's try to answer the workbook. Yeah, if you have workbook, please take your workbook and then we discuss part B, page 10. This one. This one ya. Page 10. Page 10 workbook. Yang tulisannya workbook. Ya, page 10.
Oh iya,
Part
isi
B.
wallpaper.
Page 10. Ini Miss Rus isi box sendiri biar nggak bingung ya. Page 10. If already, let's try to answer it.
What page, Miss?
Page 10.
And you gonna take it when in
Workbook page 10. 10.
Laskan jawab.
Okay. Ya, part B and C. But first, we discuss part B only, ya.
Oh.
So, the meaning of the word here, get fired, get started, get lost, get along, get going, and get used. Ya, you can find on the PDF. Ya, jadi Miss Rus cuman kasih sekilas saja. Get fired, the meaning is dipecat. Ya.
Get fire punya api.
Bukan punya api. Get fired, dipecat.
Ada double
Ya.
meaning-nya. Fire itu juga ditembak.
Okay, next is get started. Kalau sering nonton YouTube pasti sering dengar YouTubernya bilang let's get started. Mulai. Get lost. Tersesat. Oh, already done. That's good. Wow. Get along. Get along itu memulai suatu perkenalan ya atau berkenalan.
Kata si Wana Wares, Gong di beres.
Ya, hai Gong di Pades.
Ice.
Get going. Ini get going artinya pergi atau bubar-bubar.
Bubar nih apa?
Bubar-bubar. Get used artinya terbiasa.
Abisnya mau ngecat apa sih?
Iya loh. Masa nggak tahu?
Mana?
Miss.
Hai Ciara.
I have some copy, Miss.
Oh, okay. So number 1. Who can answer number 1?
Me. No.
Okay, Gita.
Participants in the bus.
I don't.
You did. Apa bi?
Yeah, you did not reach the cinema hall. Did you?
Get lost.
Doing.
Yeah, good. Did you get lost?
Get lost.
Apakah kamu tersesat?
Wow.
Okay, that's good for number 1. How about number 2?
Apa?
Wait, sharpening.
Okay. So number 1 is get lost. Apakah kamu tersesat? Okay, good. Number 2.
Get started.
Ya, blank said the policewoman to impatient crowd. Jadi the polisinya ini mengatakan sesuatu kepada orang yang lagi demo ini. Ceritanya lagi demo. Kira-kira
Get going.
Get going. Bubar. Get going.
Okay.
Get going. Good.
Kamera saya error.
Di bawah. Gita ada minta demo dia.
So get going.
Ya, saya mau demo ke DPR, Miss.
Tuh udah.
DPR anak kecil nggak boleh.
Now, please be focused on the learning. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so number 3. We don't have much time to catch the flight. Let's
Get started.
good. Let's get started.
Going.
Start.
Let's get started.
Wait, not get going?
No, number 4.
I was going to
Get going udah, wes get going udah.
Get going already number 2. Jadi kita
Oh,
ayo
right.
kita mulai maksudnya mulai perjalanannya, ya.
Oh, okay.
get used, miss. Get used.
Okay, number 4.
Miss.
Let's
Get
read it.
used.
Aditya is a friendly boy. He will surely blank 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 very well with
Get
his
along.
neighbors.
Get along.
Get along. Ya, get along ya, get along. Ya, murid baru. Get along. Oke.
Bentar, leher sakit.
Good. Number 5. Jenny
Get used.
has joined.
Get used.
Okay.
Get
Get
used.
used. Good. Get used. Terbiasa ya. Jadi mulai terbiasa nanti.
Get
Good.
fired. Get
Yang
fired.
11, Get
Fired.
fired.
Get fired.
Wow.
Will titik.
Yeah. So now you can write the answer on your book.
Wes
Already done.
Already done? That's good. I wait in.
Walaupun
I will wait in 2 minutes. Yeah. And then we continue to the attendance list. Ya. For part C, nanti part C dan juga course book yang halaman 22 itu dikerjakan sendiri ya. I believe you can do it. Ya, kalau tidak tahu artinya you can find the meaning on the PDF. Ya, nanti bisa cari artinya di PDF yang sudah Miss Rose kirim. Oke? So for this one, can I close it?
Yes.
Ya. Okay. Okay, so I will close it. Yeah. I will close it. So now I will share the link of attendance list. Yeah. So do you already know how to fill in the attendance list?
I know.
I don't have. Can you share it?
Okay. After this I will share it, yeah.
Yeah, you gonna
Choose your name, class, and the number, and then date of the learning. Look at here. MM is month. So type the 2 digit of month, and then DD is the day, 08, and then Y is the year,
Everybody
2020.
Okay, miss.
Okay, is it clear? Okay, so here is the link I will give you.
What month is it? Ya, habis ini selesai. Habis ini main Free Fire, ya.
Write the notebook first. That is the link.
No.
Notebook.
And I also have a game. Yeah, so you can play it.
I can click on it.
Yang mau main silahkan main games dari about Fresel Food.
Game is it?
This one, the game.
Done, miss.
How are you supposed to
Done. Thank you.
Oh.
Okay, I want to play a game because I'm bored.
Okay, you can play the game for a while.
Kok nggak bisa, Miss?
I want to refresh my brain.
Yeah. Don't forget to do the exercises, ya. After finish doing the exercises, nanti sudah selesai exercise yang Miss Rose kasih, yang di workbook halaman sudah 11 and course book 22. Kita nanti orang tuanya minta untuk kasih sign atau skor di sana. Siapa yang nggak bisa klik tadi?
Saya, Krisna.
Oh, Chris.
Udah, Miss, udah.
Oke, nanti Miss Sus kirim di
wait.
Google Classroom juga linknya ya. Kalau tidak bisa isi sekarang, it's okay.
I know.
Nanti bisa diisi saat Miss Sus share di Google Classroom or the WhatsApp group. Oke?
Boleh nge-live kan?
Wait.
We will back.
So I also can know the student who has joined here because all the activities is recorded here. Yeah, so thank you for all students who have joined the meeting today. See you on the next meeting. Yeah. Okay. Bye. You can leave the meeting now. Happy Thursday. Bye.
Sayonara.
We just
Bye.